Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to disable application notifications on your Mac. If constant pop-ups are distracting you while working or watching a movie, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS versions. Then, scroll down and click on Notifications. Here you'll see a list of all the apps that send notifications. Click on the app you want to disable and toggle off Allow Notifications. That's it. No more alerts from that app. If you don't want to disable notifications permanently, but just need a break, turn on Do Not Disturb. Click on Focus, then select Do Not Disturb. Next, under Intelligent Breakthrough and Silencing, toggle it on if you want to stay focused while still receiving essential notifications. Toggle it off if you prefer complete silence without any notifications breaking through. You can even schedule Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically at certain times. If you still want notifications but in a less intrusive way, you can change how they appear. Instead of banners or alerts, set them to None or disable sounds and badges for a cleaner experience. And that's it. Now you know how to disable or manage application notifications on your Mac to stay focused and distraction-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.